much is the ticket Moscow, London? The ticket Moscow, London costs $200. Is Oliver here? No, he's gone home. He went home. Is Oliver here? No, he's gone home. He went home. Is this seat taken? Sorry, it's taken. May I speak to Mr. John? Who's calling, please? Shall we go out? No, let's not go out. What conveniences are there in your flat? We have all modern conveniences in our flat. What countries would you like to visit next time? England and the USA. What do you do? I'm an engineer. What is the most important event of the last week? The most important event in sporting life was the World Championship in football. Who will empty the bin? Empty the bin by yourself. Would you like to find another job? I think not. You'll help me, won't you? Yes, of course I will. Are you tired? I was earlier, but I am not now. Delays are dangerous, aren't they? Sometimes delays are dangerous. Do you like the school uniform? We don't wear uniforms at school, actually. How long have you been married? For 3 years. How many dogs have you got? None. How much is a kilo of the apples? A kilo of the apples costs 20 rubles. How was the acting? I like the acting. Is this your first trip to London? No, I've been here several times. Should we have a party? Yes, who shall we invite? We have a reservation, don't we? No, I didn't make a reservation. What do you think of this matter? I think that's a good idea. What is your family name? My family name is Brown. What part of the US are you from? I'm from California. What's up? Nothing much. Where's the nearest bank? The nearest bank is on United Street. Would you mind closing the door, please? Not at all. A good beginning is half the battle, isn't it? It is an English proverb and all the proverbs are right. Are you a teacher? No, I'm a doctor. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm starving. Are you leaving now? Yes, I am. Can I ask you a favor? Certainly. What is it? Do you go to a swimming pool? Yes, I go to a swimming pool twice a week. Do you have a room for tonight? I'm afraid not. Have Chandra and Indira arrived yet? No, not yet. We're still waiting for them. How did you break your glasses? I slipped on the pavement and broke my glasses. How do you get to your place of work? I get to my place of work by metro. How have you been lately? Great. How long have you been learning English? For 5 years. This is your book, isn't it? Yes, it is. What's your father's job? He's an engineer. What's your profession? I'm a teacher. When did you experience joy last time? I experienced joy when my daughter entered the university. When does your working day begin? My working day begins at 8 o'clock.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.